I'm celebrity trainer Holly Rillinger, and today we're going to target your glutes with the reverse lunge. Start in a standing position and step one leg backwards. Lower that back knee until it's hovering right above the ground. You want both knees to form a 90-degree angle between your thigh and your shin. Push into the heel of your front foot to bring your back leg up and forward. And we finish up standing just how we started. We have the reverse lunge basics down, right? Let's try 5 together. All right, start with those feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna step back right side here, but remember, when you do them at home, we're gonna do both legs. Here we go. Step way back, push up off of that front leg. That's 1. Step back, chest is up nice and tall. I know this is tough, but we got this. We're already halfway through. Here comes 2 more. Step back, breathe with me. Last one, come on, let's do this. Back up to your starting position. You got it, we did it. So listen, if you wanna turn this into a workout, here's what I suggest. Let's do 3 sets of 15 on each leg. If that's too much for you, don't worry about it, right? You'll build up to it. Stay positive, stay confident.